Okay, so if you would like to download YouTube videos to Google Drive, you will need to save the Google Drive extension. How do you get that? You want to click on Apps and go down here, click on Web Store, and in the search there, you want to type in Drive, hit Enter, and you will add this to Chrome. You should see this blue button here, Save to Google Drive, Add to Chrome. I've already done it. It appears right here. Okay. All right, so now you want to find a YouTube video that you want to add to Drive. So take that URL and copy it. I use Ace Thinker. I've used another program in the past that no longer works. This one has worked for me since Christmas, so hopefully it stays up and working. So what you want to do is paste your URL in here, tap Download. Okay. And so I usually choose about the second one down. It's really, pretty good quality. And so what you want to do is right click and then save link to Google Drive. All right. So a couple of things here once this downloads. All right. So you can choose where this saves in Google Drive. And you can also name the video. Okay, so if this was, say we were working in, I don't know, SketchUp, and this was SketchUp fishing, whatever. Okay, so you can name it that. All right, and so to change where it saves at, I usually just save it in my this big general STEM units folder. Okay, but you can change that. Save folder here, and so I can choose where this saves at. Like I said, I keep it in STEM units. You can be as specific as you want with this. Go all the way into a CAD deal folder if you want to, and it'll save directly to that. But I save random ones, so I just save it in STEM units. Okay. And so that's how you do that. Alright. And so I can't remember if I hit save or not. Let's go to my drive and see if that popped up. And I gotta go to STEM units. And there it is right there. That's the one that I saved. I can delete this one. So this is the one that I saved. Okay. You can't see the video yet because it's still processing. Usually, depending on how large the file is, it takes a little bit. So, if I wanted this in Unit 5, I can drag and drop. Okay, there, and really put it wherever I want to. So, anyway, that's how you save your Google Drive or YouTube videos to Google Drive, and you can see I've got most of mine saved in the SketchUp projects here. So that's how that's done.